If you want to add Sapphire plugin in Premiere Pro, I'll show you the easiest way to install it and start using it right away. Sapphire is one of the most popular VFX plugin collections for Adobe apps, and once it's set up properly, you can apply stunning effects in just a few clicks. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and editing guides. First, you need to install Sapphire through Boris FX Hub. Sapphire is managed by Boris FX, so the first thing you'll do is download and install the Boris FX Suite or Boris FX Hub from the official Boris FX website. Once that's installed, open Boris FX Hub on your computer. This hub is where you manage all of your Boris FX products, including Sapphire. Inside Boris FX Hub, look through the list of available products until you find Sapphire. When you see it, click Install. The installer will then ask which applications you want Sapphire to work with. At this stage, select Adobe Premiere Pro. If you also use After Effects, it's a good idea to select Adobe After Effects too, even if you don't plan to use it right away, because it gives you more flexibility later. After making your selection, continue with the installation and let Boris FX Hub finish the process. Once Sapphire is installed, it's time to use it inside Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project you want to work on, or create a new one if you're just testing the effects. Then go to the Effects panel. This is where Premiere stores all of your available video effects and transitions. In the search bar, type S_, so just S_. That's the key trick here, because all Sapphire effects begin with S_. As soon as you type that, Premiere Pro will show you the full list of Sapphire effects. You'll see effects like S-Glow, S-Shake, and many more depending on the version you installed. To apply one, simply drag the Sapphire effect you want onto your clip in the timeline. If you want a bright glow effect, use something like S-Glow. If you want movement or camera shake, try S-Shake. The effect will instantly attach to the clip, and you can fine-tune it from there. To customize the effect, click on the clip and open the Effect Controls panel. This is where all the Sapphire settings appear. From here, you can adjust the intensity, color, softness, animation, and any other controls the specific effect provides. Take a few minutes to experiment with the sliders, because Sapphire effects are designed to be highly customizable. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in how polished your edit looks. If you don't see Sapphire after installation, restart Premiere Pro and check that Boris FX Hub completed the install for the correct Adobe version. Also make sure your Adobe apps were closed during installation, because that helps the plugins register properly. Once everything is working, you'll be able to search S_ anytime and quickly access all of your Sapphire effects. And that's it. You now know how to add Sapphire plugin in Premiere Pro, how to install it through Boris FX Hub, and how to apply it to your clips. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.